wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! Do you know what today is? Today, it's time for Storytime! Yeah, Storytime! Yeah! Ooh, yeah! Are some of you excited? Oh. Are some of you not excited? Yeah, some people don't like books. I understand. Sometimes it's hard to learn to read, huh? Yeah, there's a lot of different shapes that are different letters, and it can be hard to learn how to put them together. Yeah, reading was really hard for me too, but I had to practice really, really hard, and I got extra help, and now I really like reading. But yeah, I understand if you don't like reading. But even if you don't like reading, you could like listening to me tell you a story. Does that sound good? Yeah? Oh, good. I'm glad that you're willing to try that. Great. Thanks, guys. All right. Today, we're going to read a really great story called The Three Billy Goats Gruff. 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 Okay. Once upon a time, there were 3 Billy Goats Gruff. One day, they wanted to eat some berries which grew on a hill across the river, far from where they lived. To get to the hill, they had to not only cross over a bridge, but also the water beneath it. But under this bridge lived a big, bad troll! 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 There's a troll! Troll under the bridge! Oh, that's scary. I don't know if I would cross that bridge either. Wow. Oh, let's see what the goats do. The youngest Billy Goat Gruff started to cross over the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap. Ooh.
Who trips over my bridge? Roared the troll.
Only the littlest Billy Goat Gruff, said the little goat.
Aha! I am coming up to eat you, said the troll.
Oh, no! Don't eat me, cried the littlest Billy Goat Gruff. My brother is coming after me, and he is so much bigger. So the troll let the littlest Billy Goat Gruff cross the bridge.
Okay, little Billy Goat Gruff, I will let you go because I would rather eat your big brother. Roar, 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 roar.
And the little Billy Goat Gruff ran trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trip, trap, trip, trip, trap, trip, 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 all the way across the bridge until he was safe on the other side. Ooh. But soon, trip, trap, trip, trap, louder sounds came across the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap. The second Billy Goat Gruff started to cross.
Who trips over my bridge? Roared the troll. Roar!
I am only the middle-sized Billy Goat Gruff, said the second goat.
Aha, said the troll. I am coming up to eat you. I am going to chew you up and eat you. Roar, roar, roar.
Oh, no, said the Billy Goat. Don't eat me, cried the middle-sized goat. I am only the middle goat. my big brother is coming after me, and he is so, 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 so much bigger. Wow. Whoa. It's very smart of them, right? To let the troll know that there's another goat coming that's bigger so that the troll won't eat them. Yeah, but I do wonder, I don't know. Do you think that the troll will let another goat go? Doesn't seem smart to let all of them go. I mean, not if you're a hungry troll. Let's see.
Yes, my brother is much, much bigger, said the middle billy goat. Oh, rah, well, I will let you go then. I will wait and I will eat your bigger brother. Rah, rah, I'm a troll.
Yeah. So the troll let the middle-sized billy goat Gruff cross the bridge. Wow. That was very lucky for him, huh? But soon, there was a very loud trip, trap,
Coming across the bridge. It was the biggest billy goat Gruff.
He started to cross the bridge. Oh no. Guys, the troll's gonna know that he's the goat, the big goat, and then what is he gonna do? I don't know how he's gonna get out of this, right? Oh no. Let's see what happens.
The troll said, "Who trips over my bridge? Roar! I am going to come up and eat you. I will get you. I am the great troll."
But the billy goat replied,
"It is I. I am the great big billy goat Gruff," said the biggest goat. "Aha!" said the troll. "I am coming up to eat you. I will get you. Roar! Roar!"
But the great big billy goat Gruff said, "Come along then. Come on up." And so up came the troll. Whoa, that's a brave billy goat, huh? I don't think I'd want to face a troll all by myself.
Well, the big troll came up and said, "I am coming up. I am going to eat you. I am going to eat you up. Roar! Roar!" But the great big billy goat Gruff put down his head and butted the ugly troll right off the bridge.
Whoa! Do you know what that means? That means he put his head down and he rammed his head into the troll, and with his big horns he knocked that troll off the bridge and right into the water. Yep. And then the troll floated away down the water, down the river, far, far, far away, and he screamed back at the billy goats, "I am so angry! I was going to eat you! I'm hungry! Hungry! Hungry!" But his voice got quieter and quieter as he got further and further away, and the goats never ever saw him again. Then the three billy goats Gruff met on the other side of the bridge, and they sat down and they ate the delicious berries until they grew so round and plump from eating berries that they could scarcely walk home again. Yeah. Wow. That was a really good story. I liked that the billy goats were really, really smart and tricked the troll into not eating them because they weren't big, but then also they knew their big brother was going to be big and strong and could handle the troll. That's a really strong billy goat, because I think trolls are supposed to be big and kind of scary. I like that the troll got swept away in the river too. That's funny. Yeah. Do you guys like trolls and billy goats? Yeah? That's great. Well, I'm really happy that you guys came today to Storytime. Thank you. I really like telling you these stories. I hope that you guys will come back again next time. Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for coming back to Dream Again. Have a good night. Good night. Bye. Bye. Oh, we could be like a billy goat and go, bye. Roar, bye.
Wake up and dream again. wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!